Google has recently rolled out a feature that shows a speedometer while you are navigating. In this video, let's see how to enable it. Hey guys, this is Basit and let's get started. Open Google Maps, click on these three lines on the top left corner and go to Settings. Then head over to the navigation settings. Scroll down all the way to the bottom and you will see an option called Speedometer. Simply enable it. Now you will see a speedometer on the bottom left of your screen while you are navigating. That's it guys, please like the video and share to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.